All right, so welcome to the demo. I'm going to be showing some of the enhancements that we made this week and talk about others that are, I guess, less demoable. But so in this week, we made some kind of background enhancement. So in the command line interface, we added a new feature called ridge detection, which will kind of help with the processing steps for the graph extraction. We also made some new changes in the UI here. So I'm going to go ahead and create a collection template. And what we've added is this kind of status bar here. So as I go through the process to create a collection template, that status bar, the breadcrumb trail, is going to update. One cool thing about that is I can also navigate the different steps using that same breadcrumb bar. So I'm going to go ahead and walk through the process that we have completed so far. And in that process, we done some consolidation here to the user interface. So now that when I add image templates, I can go ahead and set the threshold here. And we fixed a bug. So when I go to the next step here, and I go back, my previous threshold is there set for me. So I can, if I want to modify that and increase the threshold, I can do that. So now I've come to the create image paths. I don't think we demoed this last week, but using a histogram of the image, I can now select a color that is representative of paths, a color or multiple colors. That would kind of be roads on the map image. And we have set up extraction of that. So one feature that we added this week is we added the ability to now go ahead and process all of those steps on the individual images that are also part of a collection. So we consider a collection a group of maps or map images that are alike that want to be processed with the same parameters. So I'm going to go ahead and we kind of have this dashboard to show our processes that are image processes that are happening. And I'm going to go ahead and kick off the job that will enqueue processing of all the rest of the images. And so now I've kicked the job off, and so now we're processing the other 3 images in that collection, and that will run for a few minutes and then export out the kind of final images. We don't have yet the graph creation in there, but we're kind of at the end of the image processing steps. So those are the features and functionality added this week. Let me go ahead and stop my screen share here. And I guess open it up for questions.